Shankaran Pillai went to Goa and he was walking on the beach. There he found something sticking out of the sand. Just out of curiosity, he bent down, pulled it out, and it was a lantern. He took it and just polished it with his shirt, just to clean it up. And the moment he did it, lo, the genie came. The genie came and stood up and said, okay, ask your three boons, you have liberated me, so you have 3 boons. Ask what you want. Shankaran Pillai looked at this, wow, 3 things, what? Then he said, I want a red Ferrari. So right there on the sand, a red gleaming Ferrari. Then the genie said, come on, what's the second one? Shankaran Pillai said, I want $10 million. 10 million neat, crisp currency in the back seat of the Ferrari. The genie said, come on, what's the third one? Shankaran Pillai said, I want to be irresistible to women. He turned into a box of chocolate. So, when something is so dear to your heart, I don't wish to disturb that. See, I'm made of chocolate, can't you see dark chocolate? So, the chocolate by itself is not harmful. Unfortunately, you're taking too much of sugar with it. That's the reason why it causes so many problems. Chocolate eaters are in a lot of trouble because of the volume of sugar that they're taking in. If you could eat just chocolate, it is a certain kind of stimulant, a very strange kind of stimulant. It has its positive values and actually your brains could work. Really, your brains work a little better if you take in cocoa, not with so much sugar. Sugar spoils the whole game. If you just take in cocoa, if you take in cocoa seeds and chew upon it, once you get the hang of it, it's nice. The chocolate cocoa seeds, if you chew on it, it's very, very good. Pepper, black pepper and the cocoa seeds have something very similar. In India, we use honey and black pepper in combination for variety of problems that people have, and it produces miraculous results. Cocoa also has something similar without the sting in it. There is also 100% chocolate available, but maybe most of you won't like it because it'll be bitter. If you can take it without sugar, it's fine, or with minimum sugar, fine. But generally the chocolate that you buy in the market is loaded with sugar.